to be defined by the first word news. Good morning everyone. My name is Jia Datta, student of Standard 9A, standing here to read out the news headlines of last 48 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. Over 57 people killed and 70,000 people displaced in heavy rain and landslide in Brazil. Pakistan faced South Korea in Azlan Shah Street Hockey. China's new moon mission is about to launch and it's a rare example of countries working together. The Chinese proverb says, follow 7 times, get out early. Good morning everyone. I am Tejaswini Vaidya, student of Standard 9A, stands here to deliver a few words about failure. Failure which is not final. Friends, failure is something that we face in every aspect of our life, whether it be working for the first time, or learning to ride a bicycle, or even solving a math problem. But did we stop learning? No. We learned to walk. We learned how to ride a bicycle. We even scored maximum marks in mathematics even after facing difficulties. We have all heard about Thomas Alva Edison. He failed 1,000 times to invent a lighter. But did he give up? No. He didn't give up. Instead, he said, I haven't just failed. I have just found 1,000 ways they want to work. In today's day, we regard failure as a very big problem, but it can be solved with simple and positive thoughts. Always remember that a successful person was once a contender who refused to give up. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's quote of the day is failure is not the opposite of success, but it is a part of success. Thank you.
All of you, I congratulate our class 9A group of Medical Assembly in tune with the theme that was given to them about failure is not the final. They did an excellent job of conducting the assembly, reminding us about that failure is part of life, that we should never give up. And the speaker also gave a message about why we should not give up. So overall, the schools, I appreciate them. And often we hear children that people give up on the way. So that's why we should never give up. Whatever the situation, we continue to find. And as we often said, we don't need to be smarter than the rest, but we should be always more disciplined than the rest. And then the rest of things will come on our way. It's not about being smart alone, it's about consistently being disciplined. That is what will help you in the long run. There are some students who make very excellent marks occasionally, sometimes. That means they are very good sometimes. But then all other days they are just average, just ordinary. But we should always remember that kind of students cannot go very long, too far. If you want to be successful, you should be excellent all through the year.
कहते हैं तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा लेकिन उड़ान अभी बाकी है. तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा लेकिन उड़ान अभी बाकी है. मंजिलें जमीन पर नहीं आसमां अभी बाकी है. लहरों का थमना नहीं समंदर की बेबसी. लहरों का थमना नहीं समंदर की बेबसी. बाहर खामोशी से भीतर कई तूफान अभी बाकी है. A very warm good morning everyone. I am Tejaswini Vaidya of Standard 9A and I stand here with great privilege as the host for today's morning assembly. Prayer. Prayer is not asking. It is the longing of the soul to the God in the depth of our heart. I would like to request the school band team to play a prayer song.
Yes, my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of this race and where it is. Culture, language, and religion. As always, try to be worthy of it.
Figures are leaders as well as informers. Good morning everyone. I am Meena Rai from class 9A, standing in front of you
understanding, hardworking teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and online and offline. I am a member of class 9A. Standing here to say the importance of today's activity. May 17 of 128 of October, according to the current calendar. 238 days remaining until the end of the year. May 17 observed for activities. On this day in 1906, the first electric tramway arrived in the city. On this day in 1928, the minimum voting age for British men was lowered from 30 to 21.
तरफ होनी चाहिए कामयाबी के लिए, तरफ होनी चाहिए कामयाबी के लिए, सोच तो हर कोई लेता है, सोच तो हर कोई लेता है, करने की क्षमता उसी में होती है जिसके अंदर साहस होता है। सुप्रभात मान्यवर महोदय, द्वारा अध्यापक महोदय एवं उपस्थित छात्र छात्राएं, मैं मेहरू खानम कक्षा 9 की छात्री हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष अपने कुछ विचार रखना चाहूँगी। विषय असफलता। असफलता एक ऐसा शब्द है, ना तो कोई इसे सुनना चाहता है और ना ही कोई इसे अपनाना चाहता है, लेकिन क्यों? हर सफल इंसान कभी ना कभी अपने जीवन में असफल जरूर रहा होगा, क्योंकि जब तक असफलता के कार्य पैर नहीं टूटते तब तक सफलता के फूल नहीं खिलते। तो दोस्तों, हमने से अधिकतर लोगों को ऐसा लगता है असफलता हमारे जीवन में हमें नाकामयाब बनाने के लिए आता है या फिर हमें हराने के लिए, लेकिन वास्तव में ऐसा नहीं है। अगर असफलता ही ना होता तो हमें पता कैसे चलता कि हमारी असलियत क्या है, हम किस जगह पर खड़े हैं, पता ही कैसे चलेगा। कोई इंसान बिना गिरे खड़े होने की फीलिंग को फील नहीं कर सकता। तो गिरो, बार बार गिरो और देखो कर दो जिसकी वजह से आप गिर रहे हो, और अगली बार उठो तो भरपूर कर दो और आगे बढ़ चलो।
So this is a special day for us because we are privileged to have Right Reverend Billy Wogis, Bishop of Canada. It was last year he was elected as Bishop and became the Bishop of Italian Diocese. And yesterday he was staying with us, and yesterday he just asked me whether he can just address our morning school assembly, and Bishop very generously consented though he asked for the program in Kavali at 9 o'clock. So without wasting much time, we would like to welcome Bishop to our school. First time he is addressing our
Get back to our stage. So they did the next flight landed in Guwahati, the state called Assam. 28 states they came, and they started moving around all the districts after districts. How many districts are there in Assam? How many districts are there in Assam? 29? 35? How many districts are there? There were 35 districts, but in the assembly they brought down to 31 in the year 2022. They have brought down. It was 35, so they brought down to 31. Presently there are 31 districts. They went around all the 31 districts of Assam. 3 days they went around, speaking to the people, the Assamese, the Boros, to the Karvis, to the Garos, and people of different language, different tribes, told them with one message: change.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So, with this beautiful thought, a very wonderful and auspicious morning to one and all present here. Respect and Reverend Father Agassi, Sister Sherry, hardworking teaching staff, supporting staff, and you all my dear audience. This is Swastika Datta on behalf of Class 9A, standing in front of you all to lead you all from today's assembly. First of all, let us all take a moment of silence to reflect on the day ahead. It is said that God can handle your doubt, anger, fear, grief, confusion, and question.
clouds. Beginning with some international news. Eastern Java and ceasefire talk end with no deal. UN official says Israel closer of Gaza crossing crippling aid. Singaporean city boy quits job to play pro baseball in Japanese town.
Those who fail to learn from history are doomed to repeat it. Everyone will recognize history when it happens. Everyone will recognize history after it has happened. But only the wise person knows what is permanent and lasting. Good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Principal Reverend Father Augustine, Sister Shelley, respected teachers, and the almighty Apostolians. I, Tanya Peku of Standard 9A, stand in front of you to deliver the importance of today's date in history. May 10 is the 131st day of the year according to the Gregorian calendar. 234 days remaining until the end of the year. May 10 is celebrated as the National Golf Lover Day and Mall Viewers Day. The Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, started on May 10, 1857 at Meader. On this day in 1824, the National Gallery in London opened to the public. On this day in 1994, Nelson Mandela was inaugurated as South Africa's first
শিক্ষকবৃন্দ আৰু মৰমৰ দাদা বাইদেউসকল, মই হিমাশ্ৰী সোণোৱাল নৱম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰী আজি উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয় মোৰ চমু বক্তব্য প্ৰদানৰ উদ্দেশ্যে। আজিৰ বিষয়টো হৈছে আত্মবিশ্বাস। আত্মবিশ্বাস মানে নিজকে বিশ্বাস কৰা, যিকোনো কামত সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশ্বাস ৰখা আৰু বিফলতাৰ ভয় এৰি দিয়া। মানসিক চাপমুক্ত আৰু পূৰ্ণতাপূৰ্ণ জীৱন যাপনৰ বাবে আত্মবিশ্বাস অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ। আত্মবিশ্বাসৰ অভাৱৰ ফলত নিশ্চয়তা আৰু নিজৰ পৰীক্ষাত থিয় নহয়। আত্মবিশ্বাস গঢ়ি তুলিবলৈ হ'লে আত্মগ্ৰহণ কৰি আৰম্ভ কৰিব লাগিব। আত্মবিশ্বাসী লোকৰ সৈতে সামাজিকভাৱে মিলিত হওক আৰু ভাল পৰিৱেশত সময় কটাওক। নেতিবাচক মানুহৰ পৰা আঁতৰি থাকিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰক। গতিকে মানুহ বিফল হ'লে পিছতা স্পৰ্শ কৰে। গতিকে বিফলতাৰ বাবে আপোনাৰ আত্মবিশ্বাস কমি যাবলৈ নিদিব, কিন্তু নিজৰ ভুলটো পৰ্যবেক্ষণ কৰি শুধৰণি কৰক।
काल में महिलाओं की शिक्षा और सम्मान एवं जाति नीति आधार पर लोगों के साथ भेदभाव और अनुचित व्यवहार को खत्म करने का प्रयास करने वाली महान समाज सुधारक भारत की प्रथम महिला शिक्षिका आदरणीय सावित्रीबाई फुले को मेरा नमन। सुप्रभात। यहाँ उपस्थित महानुभव आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण, मेरे सभी सहपाठियों एवं लघु सहपाठियों, मैं सीमा शर्मा कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा आज आप सभी के समक्ष बड़ी बहुत ही विशेष अनुभव विषय पर चर्चा करने आई हूँ। साथियों, अधिकतर मानव अपने स्वार्थ के लिए कर्म करते हैं और ऐसे भी खाते पीते जीते हैं और एक दिन मर जाते हैं, परंतु कुछ पुण्य आत्मा इस संसार में ऐसी ही होती है जो त्याग, सहन शक्ति, दया जैसे गुणों से प्राणी के लिए अपना पूरा जीवन समर्पित कर देती हैं। भारत की प्रथम महिला शिक्षिका एवं प्रथम महिला प्रधानाध्यापिका सावित्रीबाई फुले ने अपना पूरा जीवन एक मिशन की तरह दिया। उनका उद्देश्य था समाज में महिला विरोधी कुरीतियों को ध्वस्त करना, समाज में महिलाओं को शिक्षा और सम्मान दिलाना, उन्हें पुरुषों की तरह आजादी से जीने का अधिकार देना एवं बेसहारा महिलाओं को सहारा देना, जाति भेदभाव मिटाना आदि।
I congratulate our class 9A group for the way they conducted the assembly, also along with Hindi club also gave a speech. So overall, the morning assembly was good. Age we often hear about so much about jealousy and anger and feeling jealous about the other person. So it's a common tendency or trait. Like, why do we feel jealous? Jealousy happens very often, mostly on account of maybe the other person is having or possessing or having a quality that I don't have. And maybe I feel insecure. And these are the reasons normally we have jealousy. Even last year I remember a small quarreling and fight occurred only because small jealousy grew up in the week and then it became a small quarrel or fight. And what is the solution for actually? There is no you feeling jealous because the other person is maybe well qualified or having more qualities or more talented, or the other person is more capable of doing well academically or in other co-curricular activities or things like that. Feeling jealousy is not going to help in any way. And the best way to settle this issue is to make sure that you try to be better than the other person. You try to improve your quality of your life. You try to become better, not by comparing with others actually. Whatever qualities that you have, you try to improve upon it actually by way of practice or by focusing on talents or capability that you have. Maybe you must be talented in some other way actually. So focus on that and then we try to improve it actually. That's why in English we often say, be a better version of yourself. That means every day we try to improve actually.